Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on deploying Odoo 18 on an AWS EC2 instance. Whether you're a developer, business owner, or system administrator, this guide will walk you through the entire process, from launching your EC2 instance to configuring and running Odoo in a production-ready environment. Let's get started. First, navigate to your AWS EC2 console and click on Launch Instances. Give your instance a name, for example, Odoo. Select Ubuntu as the application and OS image. Choose an appropriate instance type. Under Key Pair, Login, select your existing key pair. Next, we configure the network settings. Click Edit. Select your preferred subnet. Enable auto-assign public IP. Create a new security group. Name the security group in description Odoo SG. We'll configure inbound rules to allow necessary traffic. Add an SSH rule with anywhere as the source. Add another rule for HTTP traffic from anywhere. Acknowledge the warning about broad IP access and add another security group rule. Add a custom TCP rule. Set the port range to 86.9 and the source to anywhere IPv. Increase storage to 30 gigabits. Proceed to launch the instance. The instance is now launching. You can see the launch log for details. Return to the instances list and select the newly launched Odoo instance. Click Connect and then the SSH Client tab to view the SSH command. Open your terminal and paste the SSH command provided. Type yes to confirm the connection. Once connected, update the package list by running sudo apt update. The update process will fetch the latest package information. Update complete. Now, upgrade all installed packages without prompting for confirmation. The system will now upgrade all necessary packages. This may take some time. The upgrade is complete. A system reboot is recommended. Now, install Git and Python since you will need both as we move forward. Then install Build Essentials and other necessary packages. You can use the commands provided in the blog present in the description of the video to install the packages required for Odoo deployment. After that, create a new user for Odoo. Follow the prompts to create the Odoo user. Set a strong password and you can skip the additional information. Confirm the user creation by typing Y. After that, install PostgreSQL on the instance. After installing PostgreSQL, start it using sudo systemcl start PostgreSQL command. Then enable PostgreSQL using sudo systemtl enable PostgreSQL command. Create a PostgreSQL superuser for Odoo. Switch to the PostgreSQL user. Access the PostgreSQL prompt, grant database creation privileges to the Odoo user, and then exit. Exit the PostgreSQL user. Download the wkhtml tox deb package. Install bkhtml tox using the downloaded package. Then create directory opt/odoo and give the directory ownership to Odoo user. Also change the group ownership of this opt Odoo directory. Then switch to Odoo user and clone the Odoo repository in opt directory that you have just created. After cloning, change your directory to /opt Odoo and create a new folder called Odoo venvlash. Inside it, set up an isolated Python environment using command python3 venv odoo venv. Then activate by running source odoo venv/bin activate. Then install wheel using pip3. After that, install the required packages present in the requirements text file. This will install all the dependencies required for Odoo on your instance. Then deactivate the Python environment. After that, you need to configure Odoo. After that, create custom add-ons directory inside /opt odoo/odoo directory, where you can later add custom add-ons for Odoo. Switch to Ubuntu user by running the exit command. Create the Odoo configuration file. Add admin passbov strong master password to the configuration file to secure your Odoo instance. Save the configuration and exit. Reopen the Odoo configuration file. Add the path to the custom add-ons directory to the add-ons path in the configuration. Save the configuration and exit. Create a systemd service file for Odoo. Paste the provided service configuration into the file. This defines how Odoo will run as a system service. Save and exit. Reload the systemd daemon to recognize the new service. Enable the Odoo service to start automatically on boot. Start the Odoo service. Check the status of the Odoo service to ensure it's running. The Odoo service is now active and running. You can now close the terminal. Copy the public IPv4 DNS from your EC2 instance details. Paste it into your web browser and add 8069 along with public IP, and you should see the Odoo login page, confirming successful deployment. And that's it. You've successfully deployed Odoo 18 on your AWS EC2 instance. You can now access your Odoo instance through your browser using the public IP address of your server. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.